Hi, I'm Laura Ewing. I'm an illustrator, character designer, and storyboard artist. I've drawn everything from heroes to villains for publishing houses like Bayard, Sweet Apple Books, and Siete Leguas. I also worked in the storyboard team for the Goya winner animation short film Madrid 2120. I grew up fascinated by animation, watching how much life was put into each character. The blinking, the moving around, it made the animators my personal heroes. That's why I take care of every details in my characters, like shapes, colors, and proportions. Defining the direction of the action and expressions are essential. This way you're able to give a fun twist and play with their reactions and feelings. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to design characters based on shape, color, and expression. I'll teach you how to develop your initial ideas all the way to the end drawing of your character in 360 degrees. Your final project will be to create a character based on your own brief and historical period. You will have to come up with a final look and pose them to reveal their personality. I will start by telling you my story and sharing the artists that have inspired me. Then I'll show you how to prepare a brief and explore the world of references so we can create a mood board together. We will see how shapes are essential to create proportions and an overall view. I will show you the ones I use. From there, I will teach you how to build different silhouettes that could be potential characters. Next steps will be refining structure, body language, and line of action, and these are vital parts of the process. Next, we'll dive deeper into facial expressions, which is the biggest connecting factor in a character. Also, I'll show you tricks and checks that I do before I send any drawings to a client. And then we'll be able to put color, flat tones, shadows, and lights in our character. After all of this, we'll look into turnarounds, drawing a character in 360 degrees to be able to expose all the elements. Finally, I will show you how to make your material professional and move yourself in the animation industry. Also, I'll give you tips on how to use social networks to promote your work. At the end of this course, you'll learn how to pump more life into your character, making sure that it is researched, polished, and ready for an animation production. I work on Photoshop, but you can develop your character on any digital tool that works with layers. Create that character in the back of your mind and give it the life and expression it deserves.